This is Steve Miller Band's The Joker in under 3 minutes, and I'm Steve. So this is gonna be just amazing. Hope you're doing great. It's an easy song. It only needs 3 chords. Now, this version, I'm gonna play it in D major, but you've got a capo on the 3rd fret. Another way to do it, if I set that dude over there, is to do it in G, to C, and D right there. So you go G, C, D. But let's put the capo back on the 3rd fret for this version, because this is actually what the song's in. Like if you listen to his voice, it's up here, like this. So let's get right to it. Capo on the 3rd fret, D major shape, and it goes, some people call me G major, the Space Cowboy, A major, G major. And I'll show you some of the cool notes and extra stuff here in a minute. So D, some people call me the Joker of Love, A major, G, just does it over and over again. Now, you want to get some palm muting because it's real quiet and it does this halftime kind of thing like this. Ready? Some people call me the Space Cowboy. So again, I'm going low, low on the D chord, high, G, A. Does that over and over again, Pompatus of Love and all that stuff right at home. And then when it goes into the chorus, it goes, because I'm a D picker. And now here's where you do some bigger strumming. I'm a D, I'm a G, I'm a G, a D, sorry, G, D. Playing my music on the run, A major, G, D, G, midnight choker, G, D, G, no one, A major. Now, a couple of the cool things. That's it. Then just gets right back into the verse, like that. But the cool things you can do is when you go to that A, instead of playing a regular A major, add this finger to the 6th fret of the B string, like this. So you add it for those first strums. Take it off like that. Now, another cool thing is when it goes back into this, goes, the verse. That's cool, isn't it? Doesn't that sound just like the record? It's really easy though. You hit the open A string and hammer this finger on, or any finger on, to the 5th fret of that A string, and then go to open D string twice. So try that. Then you go right back into the D, G. That's it. 3 measly chords. Super fast, super easy, and I just think you're gonna, have a blast with this thing. Let me know what other Steve Miller songs you want to hear and any songs in general, and I'll catch you next time for some more 3-minute lessons. Later.